And one thing about this tip is that when you use it, your wife, if she doesn't know what you are using, so the soap may attract your wife to have a sex with you. She will disturb you that, please, I want to have sex today. Stay away from her. And for you, wife, if you want to use it, tell your husband that, please, I want to do this. I want to use this. I want to do this. Please, I want to stay away from daddy and mommy. You understand? Because
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Praise and Beat. Alafia. Angeli Mioniso. Oliwuya Oguwa. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé ajẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn olórí dábọ̀ sóhun mi ló jọ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé. La ilaha illallah. Alawalu, alakiru, asohiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Aláràgbà yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dán. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá.
Do you feel like you have a witch attack? Or someone has placed curse on you, or you have a family problem, or you feel like you have a spiritual problem. This is way out. Believe me, don't joke with this material. You understand? You are going to use this for 9 days. You are going to use it for 9 days. And when you use this for 9 days, whatever thing that happened to your enemies, you don't need to show mercy. You don't need to go there, and even if they call you that, please, so person want to see you, please come to Fledge you, come and do this, come and do that. Don't mind them. Mind your own business. Are you seeing this? Do not mention anybody's name. Anyone, do not mention their name. The material you need for this series, you need 9 pieces of atajosi. If you're a woman, you need 9. If you're a man, you need 9. And bitter leaf with soap. You are going to bait this soap for 9 days. And you must bait it in the night before you sleep. Bait it in the night before you do what? Before you sleep. Do not bait it in the morning. Do not bait it in the morning. Do not bait it in the afternoon. In the night before you sleep. It's very simple. You can do it yourself. But if you don't understand, please feel free to message. You send me a message on WhatsApp 7905332747, or you comment under this video. I'll get back to you by the grace of Almighty God. You know this tip. This tip is very simple. It's very small, but don't just look it like that. It's very powerful. Only if you follow my instruction. If you do it on your own, you're on your own. I don't have anything to say. And you must apply faith, because your faith is highly needed. So what you're going to do is that you will get a 9 pieces of atajosi, ewewuro, that is bitter leaf, and you need a black soap. Are you with me? You need a native sponge. If you can't find native sponge over there, you can use a normal sponge, but make sure you buy it new, and you cut it into 9 pieces. You understand? Because you must use 1 sponge for 1 soap. I think you are with me. So how to do it and how to use it. Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever you are watching me today. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Babuenje. If this is your first time here, everything I do is to share spiritual tips, just like the one that you want to watch right now. And if you find any of my videos very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell. So whenever I upload a video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You see a lot of videos there that can help your spiritual life. If you don't understand, you are free to call me on the 0703742255. You message me on WhatsApp 0905332747. So as you see from the title today, I want to quickly share with you how to use those materials mentioned, how to use it to overcome any form of spiritual attack, to send the attack back to the original sender. And when you are using this soap, see, it's very simple, honestly speaking. It's very simple, very, very simple. Only if you follow my instruction. And it is very, very effective. So you need 9 pieces of atajosi. If you're a man, you need 9. If you're a woman, you need 9. You pound it very well. You pound it the way that you will not be able to see the seed again. You pound it very well. Bitter leaf, you can get like 2 leaves or more than that, you understand. You pound it together. You pound it very well. You are not mix it with a soap that you know that you can divide it, and you divide the soap into 9 places. You divide it into 9 places. You keep it somewhere safe. So you are going to use this soap for 9 days. I think you are with me. So the first day in the night before you sleep, you know that you don't want to go anywhere again. If you're a night worker, stay away from it. There's no way you can use this soap and you go to work. Stay away from it, please. If you know that you will bait it continuously for 9 days, do it. To destroy witch attack, to destroy cause, your family cause, and to send back their evil deed back to the original sender. So in the night before you sleep, you are going to use this soap with warm water. Even if you can use it with hot water, use it. So you take one out of that soap, you put in that sponge. You used to bathe every part of your body with hot water. The sponge, you keep it somewhere, or you can flush it, or you keep it somewhere. Because all this sponge, you are going to throw it away. But when you use it in the night, don't go out again. Just go direct to your bedroom and sleep. Even you are not allowed to press phone, watching movie, or go to my YouTube channel, or WhatsApp, or you make any call, or you have any conversation with anyone, with your children or with your wife. And don't do daddy and mommy. Stay away from. And one thing about this tip is that when you use it, your wife, if she doesn't know what you are using, so the soap may attract your wife to have a sex with you. She will disturb you that, please, I want to have sex today. Stay away from her. And for you, wife, if you want to use it, tell your husband that, please, I want to do this. I want to use this. I want to do this. Please, I want to stay away from daddy and mommy. You understand? Because, this our spiritual soap. Sometimes when you use it, as a man, when you use it, it may attract your wife to have sex with you, because they want to, the spirits in their body know what you used, and she want to partake from it. So that is why I always advise you to stay away from mommy and daddy whenever you use this kind of soap. So use it in the night before you sleep. So that is what you are going to do for 9 days. You use it continuously for 9 days. That 9 days, go and throw the sponge away. Please follow that instruction. It's very important. Believe me, you will share me a good testimony by the grace of Almighty God. You must bathe it with hot water, not cold water, please. So that's all. So I really love this video. I know that this video will help you. That's why you can help me. You can comment, you can like, you can share my video. You can also give me super thank. I will appreciate it. For those who do not understand what super thank means, super thank is when you click on that super thank, it will lead you to where you can donate. You give me Wajegun. It's not that you are going to write, Baba, I give you super thank. You now write super thank. No, it's not like that. So if you love this video, please help me to like this video, you comment, you share my video, and by the grace of Almighty God, you surely share me a good testimony. So that is how to do it. Thank you very much.
Àwọn ẹni dábọ̀ sóhun mi lè jọ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́ ewé. La ilaha illallah, Allah wa.